So today we are going to learn about working with Flash, your chapter 6. What is Flash? Flash is a powerful animation software package developed by Adobe System. Flash provides a versatile and easy way to create animation that consists of images, sound and video with various effects. Here in Flash workspace we have a different kind of elements. So now let's see what are they. First one, tools panel. Second one, timeline. Third one, panels and layers and current scene and stage. Here last one is property inspector. So here, what is stage? The stage is a drawing board where we can create graphics, animation and can make modifications too. It is a large white space that is present at the center of a workspace. By default, the stage dimension are 550 into 400 pixels. So next one, menu. The menu provides control over common functions like opening, closing and saving of a document. So next, tools panel. The tools panel consists of various tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects. And timeline. The timeline is a fixed window that stays on top of every object in the workspace. It organizes and controls the content of a document over time in frames as well as in layers. So next one is here. Let's see what are the types of tool panels. So tools, already I told you what is tools panel. Tools panel is nothing but it consists of various tools to draw, paint and select and modify objects in the workspace. Here we have a different kind of tools. First one is selection tool. It is used for select, scale, distort, rotate objects. So next one is drawing tools. It is used for draw, paint, create text and erase objects. So next one is view tools. It is used for zoom and pan. Next one is color tool. It is used for set, stroke and fill colors. So last one is options. It is used for modify the currently selected tool. So now let's see about timeline. What is timeline? So timeline is a fixed window that stays on top of every object in the workspace. It organizes and controls the content of a document over time in frames as well as layers. You can organize and control the content of a movie over time. Here we have frames, playhead and frame rate and layers. So now let's see about what is what is frames and keyframes. So first one is frames. Like a film, Flash movies divided length of time into frames which are organized on the timeline. So next one is keyframes. Frames that define a change in what is displayed in a movie or include frame actions to modify a movie. When you open a new blank movie document, it contains one layer with one blank keyframe. So now you can see here keyframe with content, empty frames, blank keyframe and empty slots for new frames. So here we have a different types of keyframes. So now here layers. What is layer? Layers are like multiple film strips stacked on top of each other, each with a different element that appears on the stage. Here we have a different objects here: graphics, animations, text, sounds, button, frame, actions. So these are the objects will be there in the layer. Okay. So now here we have a playhead. What is playhead? The playhead indicates the current frame displayed on the stage. It moves from left to right through the timeline. The playhead indicates the current frame displayed on stage, and then the playhead moves from left to right through the timeline. So next one is property inspector. The property inspector is a panel that displays the properties of the selected object. That is, what are the text, symbol, line or a shape, it will be indicates. The next one is the list of properties also vary in the property inspector. We can make changes to the object document attributes in the property inspector. So here in property inspector, you can make changes to the object or document attributes in the property inspector. So now let's see how does Flash work. When you create and save Adobe Flash CS3 professional documents within the Flash authoring environment, the documents are in FLA file format. And then to display a document in Adobe Flash player, you must publish or export the document as a SWF file. This is a time-saving act for the client. Here I will explain you. I will explain you how to open Flash. Here we have to click start button, and you have to select all programs and then select Adobe Flash CS3 Professional, and and you will get opening screen, and then you have to click on the Flash file. You have to select Action Script 3.0 version, and then under it will be there under create new section to open the Flash document. So like that you have to open Flash file.